Good afternoon, students. Now, a short revision of what we have learned in the last video. We had studied old water stores and recent systems of storage of water. In recent system, we have learned dams and borewells. Now, here in this video, we are going to learn a new term, panpoi, which is also called as a drinking water stands. Okay. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. Thirsty means when you need water, when you feel a want of water. Okay, when you walk through road and if you have a bottle also and if the water is finished, or while walking if you start feeling thirsty, then what you will do? Okay, you purchase water and drink. Okay, but in some places big clay jars means big jars which are made of clay of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. Okay, in some places big clay jars are kept in which drinking water is made available for people who walk through the road and who feel thirsty, who need water. They can take the water from that panpoi. That pot is called as panpoi and you can drink it. Okay, or that stand which is created and pots are kept, that is called panpoi. Now this water is offered free of charge. Free of charge means money is not taken in return. This is known as panpoi. Now panpois are set up by individual or institutions. That means any individual and any person can set up that panpoi, okay, for the needy, or any institution, okay, can set up such panpois. Panpois are very useful, especially in summer. Yes, in the summer season the climate is very hot and all the water in your body gets evaporated because of the sun's heat. Okay, so you feel thirsty in very short period of time. Okay, so these panpois are very useful for people in the summer season. And institutions like means any political party or any social worker can set up such panpois. Okay, now a fact we will learn here. Do you know that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj gave the following instructions for the construction of hill forts? Now what was the instructions given by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the great leader we know? We are learning about him since so long in our history. Okay, now what has he instructed on the construction of hill fort? A hill fort should be built after first finding out if there is water in the place. Okay, that means Shivaji Maharaj here in this line is saying the importance of water. He is making us understand that water is very important and we cannot stay without water. So if there is no water and if it becomes necessary to fortify means to make strong the place, then by breaking the rocks, reservoirs and tanks should be built. Here he is saying that before constructing a fort, you should find out whether there is water in that place, and if it is not there, for making that fort more strong, you should first build the reservoir or any tank for water. Okay, one should not wholly depend upon the supposition that there is a spring of water in the fort and that it would somehow or other supply enough water. If somewhere in the fort water is found in small quantity, then we should not depend on that. We should create tanks. If sufficient supply of water will be there, then only people on the hill fort will be able to survive. Okay, and then only they will be able to fight. Okay, for storing water 2 to 4 reservoirs should be constructed. Okay, and he advised his soldiers or his people that at least 2-4 reservoirs should be there on the fort. water from them should not be allowed to be spent, and from that reservoirs water should not be spent without any unnecessary reason. The water in the fort should be well protected. That means water should be used properly. There should not be any wastage of water, because water is very precious. Water is very important. Okay. Now always remember this. What you should remember about water. Water is a natural resource. As I explained you already, that water is a natural resource. That means water you get from the nature. It is not man-made. It is a resource which we get from the nature. So all living things need water. Yes, you know that all living things need water. Not only human beings, animals and plants also need water. We must keep this in mind when we use water. Whenever you use water, you should keep in mind that all living things need water and it is a natural resource. So you should not waste it. You should use water properly, carefully. Okay. What have we learned? Economical use of water. Today in this video we had learned the economical use. Means how to use carefully water we have learned. Okay. How Shivaji Maharaj has explained the importance of water. Okay. In terms of construction of hill fort. Okay. We have learned about Panpoi, the drinking water stands. Okay. People know about the importance of water in the life of human beings. So they have started creating water stands in public places, the Panpoi. Okay, understood? Okay, so this much only for today, students. Thank you so much.
Do like, comment and share for more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.